Exporting Process Manager. Exporting Process Manager is a new function in CADbro 2017 SP1 version, which can predefine the exporting process and store the configuration. Here is the mechanical assembled model. Open one part. Click the Exporting Process Manager icon. Click the new config icon. Choose file format you want to export. And select the target folder for exporting files. Click OK. You can change the configuration name, set up the exporting parameter. After that, a new exporting process is created. Do it again. Here we can define an exporting process for another file format, like a CAD file format. Give a specified configuration name. Repeat it again. Define an exporting process to export 3D PDF file format. After finishing, we can still edit the specific exporting process to change the target folder, edit the name. What's more, we can use an extra application to open the exported file after finishing exporting. Like here, we can use the Adobe application to directly open the 3D PDF file. After finishing predefining the configuration, we can run it at any time for any opened models. During the exporting process, CADbro can keep working. Like here, during exporting this crankshaft part to step, CATIA 3D PDF, we still can use inquire command to check the distance between two holes. When the running task is finished, they will be moved to the end task. You can clean those records or choose one of them to open the target folder. So CADbro can allow you to quickly locate the file folder and find out your exporting result. Back to top assembly, CADbro can even choose the specific component from the assembled tree to export by following the exporting process. Just right-click and select the exporting process. Then it will be added to the running task. Also, you can directly choose the component from the graphic window and add it to the specified exporting process. New Exporting Process Manager in CADbro makes batch exporting become an easy job.